Hey friends, welcome back to Freedom from Belly Fat. Today we're not talking about some new diet trend or a 7-day miracle plan. We're talking about something much older and much more powerful, yoga and pranayama. These two ancient practices from India can do what most modern methods fail to do. They balance your body, mind, and energy so that weight loss happens naturally. Now, here's a fun fact. Most people think fat loss is only about calories, but your body is not a math equation, it's a chemistry lab. When your stress hormones like cortisol go up, your body holds fat, especially around your belly. Yoga and pranayama help balance those hormones. Deep breathing lowers cortisol, improves oxygen flow, and boosts your metabolism. When your cells get more oxygen, they burn fat more efficiently. That's real science, not magic. Here's something I want you to really remember. Your energy level is everything. If your energy is low, you feel lazy, unmotivated, and heavy. But when your energy is high, you move more, smile more, and yes, you even burn more calories naturally. Yoga is the key to that energy. It relaxes your body while recharging it. Sounds strange, right? But it's true. When you stretch and breathe deeply, your nervous system calms down, your blood flow improves, and suddenly, you feel light, calm, and happy. That happiness is the $1 million reward. Now, let's talk about something most people ignore: cleansing the body. Yoga isn't just about poses. It also includes powerful detox methods like Panchkarma. These ancient cleansing techniques remove toxins, improve digestion, and make your body work like it's brand new. When your system is clean, your metabolism becomes strong, your mind becomes calm, and your cravings start to fade away naturally. No stress, no guilt, just pure balance. Now, let's talk about timing. The best time to practice yoga is early morning, right after sunrise, in the cool, fresh air. You can do it at home too, but try to find a little open space. And remember, yoga works best on an empty stomach. If you go to the bathroom first and then do yoga before breakfast, you'll feel the difference immediately. If you often struggle with constipation or poor gut health, try adding a gut-supporting supplement to your routine. I personally recommend Finessa, Gut Health Booster. Just take 1 scoop in water or your favorite morning drink, and you'll feel clean, light, and energetic all day long. It also helps promote healthy cholesterol, balanced blood sugar, and a better metabolism. Finessa helps your body feel fresh from the inside, so you can look and feel your best every single day. Remember, a clean stomach means a happy mind and a healthy body. For more info, click the link in the description below. When you practice yoga regularly, you'll notice that over time, you need fewer medications, and your stress, weakness, and fatigue begin to fade away. So start your yoga and pranayama journey today. You don't need to be perfect. Just begin. Breathe deep, move gently, and smile often. Because when your energy rises, your weight falls, and your happiness grows. That's real freedom from belly fat. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this boost, and subscribe for more powerful health secrets every week.